What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if YouTube just recommended this to you because you whispered to your phone last night, why do people click my videos and leave? I smell bad. First of all, you don't smell bad. And second of all, you're not alone. And third, YouTube retention is one of the most emotionally violent metrics I ever created, because nothing humbles you faster than seeing your average view duration of 1 minute and 42 seconds, all right? On a 12-minute video. That means people didn't even make it to your second thought. They clicked, they saw you, they said, nah, and they left. And today, we're talking about how to get people to stay, keep watching, and stop treating your videos like a haunted house they accidentally walked into, all right? The hardest truth about retention. Let's rip the Band-Aid off right now. People don't leave because they hate you. They leave because you don't give them a reason to stay fast enough. Viewers are not patients. They are not loyal. They are not curious by default. They are tired. They're distracted, and they're one notification away from leaving you forever. Retention is about being better. It's about being clear immediately. And why people leave in the first 10 seconds. Here's what your viewer is thinking when they click. Is this worth my time or not? And most creators open with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or in today's video, we're going to talk about, and the viewer goes, I don't know who you are. I don't know why I'm here. I'm leaving. You didn't lose them because you're bad. You lost them because you didn't orient them. The first 10 seconds is not an intro. Repeat after me. The first 10 seconds is not an introduction. It's a hook. Your job in the first 10 seconds is not to say hello, explain yourself, or set the vibe. Your job is to answer one question: why should I keep watching? And that's it. If you don't answer that fast, the viewers will answer it for you. Their answer will be, I shouldn't. Bad hooks versus good hooks. A bad hook in today's video, or I've been wanting to talk about this, or so a lot of people have been asking blank. Nobody asked. I'm sorry, they didn't. Good hooks, a problem, a mistake, a bold claim, or a tease. Example, if people are clicking your videos and leaving immediately, this is probably why. I almost quit YouTube because my retention sucked, and here's what fixed it. Or this one habit keeps killing your watch time, and you don't even realize you're doing it. Now we're staying. People watch videos, they follow curiosity. And here's a big shift you need to make. People don't watch videos, they follow questions. Your job is to ask a question, delay the answer, and pay it off later. That's retention. And if your video gives everything up front, people leave. If your video promises nothing, people leave. You need controlled withholding. It sounds manipulative. And welcome to storytelling. While your video feels boring, if it's good, your video might be informative, it might be accurate, and it may even be helpful. And it's still boring. And why? Because information alone doesn't hold attention. Information without opinion or emotion or even stakes feels like homework. You don't need to be dramatic. You need to care out loud, though. Talk like a human, not a TED Talk narrator. Most retention dies because creators switch into educational voice, or ones. They slow, they're polished, they're emotionless. They're lighting the terms and the condition. Just stop that. Talk like you're explaining something to a friend in a car who didn't ask but now can't escape. That's watchable. Energy does not mean yelling, and let's clear this up. Energy does not equal screaming. Energy means variation, a pacing, an emphasis. If your entire video is the same speed, the same vibe, the brain checks out. Whisper, pause, rant, lean in, lean back. Make it feel alive. And every 30 seconds, something must change. A simple rule that will improve retention instantly. Every 20 to 30 seconds, change something. That something can be a joke, a story, a cut, even a visual, a new angle, or a shift in topic. You don't need fancy editing. You need momentum. If nothing changes, the viewer leaves. And story is retention cheat codes. You know what people watching stories, and not lists, not tips, and not bullet points, stories. Why? Because stories have tension, curiosity, it pays off. Instead of, here are 5 ways to improve retention, say, I didn't realize my retention was terrible until this one video completely bombed. Now we're emotionally invested. Part 11. Open loops, aka legal mind control. All right. Open loops are when you hints something, don't finish it yet, you come back later. Example, and the biggest mistake, save that one for the end, because that's the one that kills the channels. Boom, retention. Humans hate unfinished business. We will sit through anything to close a loop, including your video. And here's one other thing too, another topic is why rambling kills your watch time. You might think, this is good info, I should explain more. No, you should explain better. Rambling feels like no direction and no confidence or no payoff. Viewers don't leave because you're talking too long. They leave because they don't know where you're going. Structure equals comfort. People stay longer when they feel safe. And safe means I understand the journey of this video. You don't need chapters, you need flow. Let the viewer feel movement, momentum. Confusion equals exit. And like a viewer, and not a creator. Creators like, is this impressive? Viewers watch, is this worth staying for? Cut dead air, repetition, anything that doesn't move the story. Nobody misses what you remove, and that only feel what you leave. Humor is retention glue. You don't need stand-up jokes. You need observations, self-awareness, a relatable pain. Humor, it resets attention. A laugh every 30 to 45 seconds. It keeps the brain awake. You're not trying to be funny. You're trying to be human. And why viewers leave mid-video? People leave when you've answered the title already. You lost the momentum. You repeated yourself, or they got bored. Ask yourself something. What reason do they have to stay right now? If the answer is none, they leave. Pay off what you promise. Retention dies when the title promises X and the video delivers Y. If your title is how to fix your retention, and you spend 4 minutes on your YouTube journey, they're gone. And respect the click. Your face is also part of the retention. Yes, it's your face. People stay longer when they see reactions, expressions, emotion. You don't need to mug for the camera. Just don't be a statue. Momentum equals life. And stop apologizing. Nothing kills retention faster than sorry, this video is long, or I'm not an expert, or this might be boring. Why would I stay if you don't believe in it? Confidence keeps people watching. Even fake confidence works, all right? So another thing, retention is built. It's not hacked. There is no secret upload time, algorithm trick, magic keyword. Retention improves when you review your videos. Notice where people leave and fix one thing next time. One improvement per video compounds fast. And why most creators never fix retention? Because it's uncomfortable. You have to watch yourself, critique yourself, admit that didn't work. Most people would rather quit and don't. Retention is a skill, and skills can be learned. Talk to one person. Stop talking to everyone, the internet or guys. Talk to you who clicked this and almost left. Personal equals sticky. The goal is not to keep everyone. That's an important reminder. Retention is not about keeping everyone. It's about keeping the right people. Some people should leave, and that's fine. You want engaged viewers, not hostage viewers. When retention improves, everything changes. When people stay, YouTube pushes you, videos get suggested, and subs increase. Monetization also follows right after that. Retention is the engine. Everything else is decoration. And here's the final truth. And here it is, all right? People stay when they feel understood. They feel curious, or they feel rewarded. Not because you're perfect, not because you're polished, and not because you respect their time. If people aren't staying yet, it doesn't mean you're bad. It means you're early. Retention isn't talent, it's awareness. So next time you hit record, don't ask, is this good? Ask, why would someone stay? Answer that, and everything changes. And so now, go make something. We're finishing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Be sure to watch some of the tips or some of the videos on the following page, and I appreciate your time. Take care.